20 powerful ITO stocks to dominate post-pandemic 2023. Here are the lessons to be learned from this blog. Lesson 1. ITO stocks peaked pre-COVID on February 19, 2020, then crashed, but the Philippines BPO edge sparked a PSE rebound. Investing via PhilStocks PH taps this resilience for Pinoy profit. Lesson 2. Outsourcing it to firms like Convergys cuts costs, driving PSE stocks like Globe higher in 2025. Our low-cost talent pool makes ITO a PSE goldmine, if you pick smart. Lesson 3. The pandemic boosted ITO demand, lifting PSE stocks like PLDT as remote work surged. Pinoy investors can ride this wave with a 15,000 peso stack. Bet volatility's the catch. Lesson 4. Post-COVID. Wine stocks in cybersecurity and e-commerce support soar, boosting PSE-related plays like Jollibee. Spotting these via PhilStocks PH keeps Filipinos ahead of global shifts. Lesson 5. The Philippines ITO future shines with 650,000 pros, powering PSE growth into 2030. Diversifying your 20,000 pesos across local ITO stocks balances risk and reward. The ITO apex, a pre-pandemic peak, meets Pinoy potential. Flashback to February 19, 2020. The ITO stock market hit its zenith. A golden era before COVID-19 crashed the party. The PSE felt the shockwaves. Tech-driven stocks tumbled as the world locked down. But here's the twist. Information technology outsourcing E2O, hiring external wizards, became a lifeline. In 2025, the Philippines shines as an ITO powerhouse, with firms like Convergys 19.83 pesos B revenue fueling a $1 billion local market, per Statista. This chapter rockets you to the peak. Pre-pandemic, global ITO stocks soared post-crisis. Our BPO edge kept us humming. Picture investing in STAF, FFE, but volatility lurks. Will you ride the rebound or retreat? Let's zoom into how ITO stocks shape the PSE today. ITO Unleashed, powering PSE profits. What's IO? Impact #1. Cost-cutting goldmine offshore to the Philippines slashes labor costs 60% versus the US. Per DOST, boosting firms like Sutherland 8.08 pesos B. In 2025, our 28% ITO growth. Statista lifts PSE stocks tied to BPO. Think Globe Telecom, up 5% on tech demand. This chapter's a treasure hunt. Global giants like IBM Dash, 6.31 pesos B thrive here, making your 10,000 pesos ticket to profit. Pinoy Percar, English fluency and talent reared in Asia-Pacific make us ITO kings. But competition from India looms. Will PSE I2 stocks hold the crown? The chase is on. Join the rush. Pandemic pivot. ITO stocks rise from chaos. COVID-19 flipped the script. Kabayan ITO stocks became PSE saviors. Impact #2. Resilience rocket while retail crashed. Convergys and 24/7's customer. 13.06 pesos B soared, supporting remote work. In 2025, our BPO sector, 40% of global outsourcing props, up stocks like PLDT, steady at 3% gains, despite 2020's 30% PSEI drop. Impact #3. Skills gap boom demand for it pros spiked. Firms like JP Morgan Chase, 11.79 pesos B, hired here, not there. This chapter's a survival epic. Pandemic chaos birthed ITO heroes. Your 15,000 pesosin, a PSE Tech ETF via PhilStocks. PH could have ridden this wave, but risks linger. Global slowdowns threaten. Will you bank on our ITO edge or bulk? The comeback's electric plug-in. Post-pandemic players, ITO stocks to watch. The world's changed ITO stocks are PSE stars in 2025. Impact #4. Demand surge cybersecurity. Sutherland and e-commerce support Teletech. 6.59 pesos be explode as remote work sticks. Homegrown staff virtual scales fast. Tying PSE hopes to global trends, think of 5 pesos. Oh, stake doubling if trends hold. Impact #5. Future winners fast food tech Jollibee automation and food delivery. Food Panda's 2020 doubling lean on ITO, lifting related stocks. This chapter's a spotlight reel. Our $29 billion BPO pie. IBPAP Fuels. PSE Growth, PLDT, or Globe could jump 10% on it bets. Pinoy hack use fill stocks. PH to snag these risers early. But India's shadow grows. Will we outpace or stall? The stage is set. Pick your winners. Pinoy Power, investing in ITOs, PSE Future. The future's now. Philippines ITO stocks are your PSE rocket. Our 650,000 DIT pros, DOST and low costs make us a global I2 hub. Converges to IBM Dash thrive here. In 2025 digital transformation, think JFC's app upgrades keeps I2 hot. A 20,000 pesos PSE tech mix could compound 15% by 2030. But beware global rivals and peso swings. 58 pesos to $1 jolt returns. This chapter's your victory lap. Diversify via fill stocks, PH blend, STA, FF, VSAS Bond with PLDT for stability. Our BPO boom. 40% of outsourcing mirrors 2020's resilience. Your portfolio's a jeepney, loaded for the long haul. Will you seize our ITO crown or sit out? The PSE's buzzing, jump aboard.